Hey, what's going on, y'all? So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how to make some bomb ass tilapia, okay? And you can make this at the crib. I'm making this right in between my scheduled lunch break, okay? Up in the van, so you can do this up in any place, all right? On the go, wherever, all right? So first of all, I want you to look at my pan. I ain't got all that burnt stuff, so this gonna be an easy ass cleanup. Now let me go ahead and show you the seasonings. It's all you need with any fish, okay? Sea salt, fine. This is why you join a Patreon, man. Life hacks advice, all right? Garlic, okay? Because we're going to be making this with grass-fed butter, Irish butter. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and show you, okay? Kerrygold, grass-fed butter, brings out the taste, okay? And then some lemon pepper, all right? And then what you do is you take these fillets, like straight out the pack. Don't season it. Don't do none of that. Okay. You put your butter right into here. Okay. Get that all covered. And then you put your tilapia straight out the pack into here. Alright. You do that. And you just want to get that butter sizzling. You don't want to burn the butter. So you cook it on a medium low heat. And just watch how you just need a little bubble in the butter, okay? And then you cook it on both sides like 3 to 5 minutes. you know I cooked this about 4 minutes on each side to get that coloration. And then that way you don't burn your seasonings all in the skillet, okay, while it's cooking. All right, so after you take that out, or wait, right at the end, after you burn or after you cook both sides, you get some lime juice. I just got a whole bunch of lime juice from this is called limeade from Mariano's. But go and get you some lime, some lemons, cut one in half, squeeze it while it's still cooking in there. You want to do that towards the end, okay? Cut off your heat, and then you take it out your pan, and then you season it, okay? You season it with the lemon pepper, the garlic powder, and then your sea salt, okay? That because what happens is, and this is a pro tip from somebody who's been, working out and making the food taste good, because tilapia is a real good protein source that's lean, okay? That way you can use a little bit of butter, okay, to make it taste good. But yeah, man, it's that simple. You can do this with salmon. You can do this with cod, rainbow trout, um, all that stuff. Okay, this will make all that taste good. All right, y'all. So just a real quick video for y'all, helping you get these gains. Peace. And so you can get laid.